conducts the internal audit as per the plan and company audit. Regular HSE meetings are being conducted to capture the HSE concerns, and the regular toolbox is there before any work start to ensure that people are familiar. So camp HSE plan and community audit and camp belong to the company. Bimal, can you verify this statement? Camp belong to a company and contractor following the company HSE plan.
No.
Yes.
It's not right. Specific welfare and camp management plan is in place.
Actually, the camp is not dedicated. I think during our meeting also, the camp is not dedicated to project. It's not part of the project. Right? It is somewhere else located.
That is a rented camp.
Rented camp. It is not part of. And I had no approved rented camp.
Okay, I do approved. Huh?
Yeah.
It had no approved, right?
Yes.
Yes. And you are doing the regular welfare audit, right, Najib?
Yes.
Yes.
Audits and inspections are there. Quarterly audits and monthly inspections from our side.
Any major concern identified for welfare audit?
No major concerns. Regular concerns are there, they are being followed up.
Okay. Regarding the life saving rule, so you are following the all ADNOC life saving rule for this.